this is an Australian first fidget advent calendar in the lead up to Christmas. This is the most wonderful idea to help keep kids feeling regulated and calm during a usually very busy and overwhelming time. Plus, the idea of a new fidget every day is going to be one of the most exciting things for them. So it comes in this great box. It's quite big. They have all the different numbers, dates leading up to Christmas. So you find what date you're up to, and you simply open up the hole, and then you see what your fidget toy is inside. You can have a look at all the fidgets. So there really is a very wide selection of fidgets here. We have the fantastic pop tubes that make very fun sounds. We have the mini spiky, goes up and down your finger with some nice sensory regulation.